Okay guys, welcome to another one. I hope you're just doing fine. Today I'm using my laptop webcam, so I hope you can see me. Like, I'm not using my smart, I'm using my webcam, so I don't know how. That's a story for another day. So today I'm gonna show you how to convert your MKV to an MP4. I know guys, like out there are a lot of tools that you can use to convert your MKV to an MP4. So but this method I'm going to show you guys, I can absolutely guarantee you that this is the best method that you're gonna use. So today you're going to use OBS, my favorite. Yeah, so the last video that I made, like I was using OBS, so I was just focusing on showing you how to record a video. So today I'm gonna show you how to convert your MK4 to MP4. Oh, MKV to an MP4. Sorry about that, but know what it is. So let's go on without wasting your time. So I'll open my MKV video that I recorded using OBS. So it seems OBS, like, it's coming on in handy, like, so this is my video. So guys, I'll show you. This is the properties. So let me show you. So as you can see guys, this is an MK4 video. So MKV, where am I getting the 4 from? So okay, that's a story for another day. So this is an MKV video. So I'm gonna show you how to convert, guys, using OBS, just real quick. So this video is like let me play it. Okay guys, as you can see, this video at my bottom right, it's, as I don't know, at my bottom right you can see that the video is 2 minutes. You can see how, you'll see how quick it is, like for a 2 minutes MKV video just to convert to an MP4. So I'll click here. So okay, let's go an OBS, open OBS. So guys, don't be confused or don't be scared of this interface. They just want to scare you, but I promise, if you get to learn OBS and be comfortable and master everything here, you learn that OBS, like, it's convenient to use when you're recording or when you want to convert your file. So without wasting your time, let's go. So you go here, OBS, they've made these options, like you go here to remarks recordings. This means it's remarks is the same as convert. I don't know why they use the word remarks, like to confuse people. So let's go. So when you click on remarks video, this window will pop up. So once this pop out, what you have to do is just go and take your video wherever it is, then you drag it. This is my video, guys. Let me show you. This is my video. Don't mind my camera, guys. Don't mind I disappeared the letter off. So I'm recording with light off. This thing can detect my face with a dark environment. The lights are off. So let's just continue, guys. So you just drag your video here. So you click here. I'll show you how quick. You'll see how quick it is, guys. With just one click, within a minute, and it will be done. A 2 minutes video, MKV. Imagine a movie. Done. That's how you convert your MKV to an MP4. So let's go to our file explorer and check on to our video. So once you convert your video, you will have 2 files. This, the MKV video, the initial video, and the converted video. As you can see here, it's an converted now, it's an MP4. So this is it, guys. That's all I had for you today. So I hope you enjoyed. I will see you on the next one. Peace.